Squad.
Elliott, my mic check. Got a 21-inch BSD ALVX frame in raw with some MERRITT Crosscheck grips and gum, some animal Foursome 4-piece bars that I cut to 28. I got an ECLAT Mercury stem and polished. My fork is a BSD Acid V2 fork. My wheels, I got ECLAT hubs, a cortex in the back and a dynamic in the front. Laced up to, the back's laced to a polar straight rim. And the front one's laced to a Bondi V2 rim. And for my seat, I got the ECLAT OZ seat in brown. BSD seatpost. I got 25 tooth ECLAT vent sprocket. I got some ECLAT Contra pedals. They're like got metal pins on one side. And I got 165 BSD cranks, BSD substance cranks. I got an animal bottom bracket, an animal headset, animal bearing. I got 4 ECLAT Venom plastic pegs, 2 BSD 2.25 donnasqueaks tires in dust blue. I got an ECLAT overguard, the cortex guard, and then 2 dynamic front hub guards. And that's it.